Hey YouTube, Chief Ninja Turtle here, bringing you how to change your stock mirrors for bar end mirrors on the Kawasaki Z1000. On the left we have the stock, and over here on the right we've got the bar end mirror. Now getting into it, we need to grab a 3mm Allen key to remove the bolt on the guard. Now, I've actually loosened everything up, so don't be surprised if your bike actually puts up a fight when you do this. Now, once you loosen that bolt on the guard, just yank it out, and then remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Nice and easy. Now, to install the bar end mirrors, what you gotta do is simply remove the bar end protector with a 6mm Allen key. Again, this is already loosened up, so don't be surprised if this part puts up a fight. Specifically this part, I loosened up because there's so much thread lock on it. So yeah, it'll come out quite easy in the video, but when you do it, it might be a bit tougher. Now, once you've taken that out, get your bar end mirror, and under normal circumstances, you'd want to put thread locker on it before you install it, but I've opted not to, purely because I'll soon be getting some heated hand grips, and I don't want to, have to fight the bolt. Try and get it off. Tighten that up. Rotate it back up the right way. Now, I know it looks like I'm probably tightening it excessively, but it's just me, I suppose, rotating the bolt rightwards whilst not trying to get the mirror itself to position itself too high. Oops. And yeah, well, there we go. There you have it. That's how you remove and install a bar end mirror on the Z1000. Thanks. Hope that helps. Bye.